DFMTV. May the force be with your stream.
Hello and welcome back to DFMTV. My name is Dan and today we're going to be talking about a very common problem, which is losing your remote control. Well, the game has changed now with the ONN 4K Pro device. Whether it's the first generation or the new second generation, it has this Find My Remote Control feature where if you just hit the button right here in the center, your remote control is going to start beeping, making it easy for you to find. And the other thing that you can do is just say it out loud when you say, "Hey Google, find my remote." There it is. It starts looking for the remote again. It just takes a few extra seconds when you say it because it tells you looking for your remote or whatnot. And today, if you happen to have an ONN 4K Pro device and it's not working, the button doesn't do anything, or if you speak it out loud, it doesn't find it for you, it's just because you have to turn on a feature on the settings, and that's what I'm going to walk you through in this video. But before I do, I also want to show you something really great that I got for my remote controls to make it even easier to find. And this is that glow-in-the-dark cover that you see here. Here's what it looks like in a really dark place. You guys can see how bright this is. Just holding it, it lights up your hand. It's a great thing to have, especially if you're watching TV in the dark and you place your remote control next to you and you just can't find it. It's really easy to spot because it glows so bright. This is something that you can find on Amazon. Here it is. And you can find it for just $7.99. It comes in a variety of colors. Depending on the color, it's a little more. Well, the set of two you get for $9.99, so it's even cheaper if you do it that way. But yes, you get different colors. And if you prefer to buy things from Walmart, I'm also going to have the Walmart link. Let's go over to the ONN box. Now on the ONN box, this is really simple to activate. And all you have to do is go to settings. So you can either go to settings right here on the right here, or you can just hit the settings button on the remote control. I'm going to hit the settings button on the remote control. And then I'm going to hit the center of the circle to go into all settings. Then you're going to scroll all the way down until you see remote and accessories. And then on the very bottom here, you're going to see Find My Remote. Click on that and make sure that it's toggled on. Most of you are going to have it off, and that's why it's not working. So you need to make sure it's to the right in blue, and that means it's on. I will mention that if you have the ONN 4K Plus, you're not going to have this feature. Anything that's not the Pro will not have this feature. So this is only going to be for the ONN 4K Pro people, okay? If you have ONN 4K Pro, you have it. So there it is, guys. That's how you turn it on. That's how you get it going. I would love to know if your particular device has the Find My Remote Control, whether it's a television or a separate streaming device. Leave it in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.